In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do ankle circumduction. So firstly, circumduction just means creating a circle, and ankle circumduction means creating a circle with the ankle. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in a seated position, and all you need to do is grab the back of your leg with your hands, point your toes up, and then you are going to come to the side, round, down, to the opposite side and up, following that circular motion, trying to do it as slow as you can. So make sure you're not doing it too fast. It has to be at a slow, controlled tempo. If you're like me, at halfway, whether you're doing sets of reps or sets of seconds, what I would then do is start going the opposite way. So do clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then repeat on your other leg. Now, if you're doing this for just general mobility, you'll be repeating this on both ankles anyway. But if you're thinking, well, actually, I've only got an injury on one side, why would I want to do the ankle circumduction drill on the other side? Well, we want to know what that other side feels like, because ultimately you're going to be rehabilitating your injured ankle to try and get up to the same degree of circumduction as your good side. So it's always good to do both. That way you can keep track of how far you are off your good side in terms of your rehabilitation progress. That's how to do ankle circumduction in a seated position.